Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are trying some Sassy and Chic nail stamp and nail stamp plate products from the Dollar Tree. You know, I love a good Dollar Tree find, and nail stamping is something that's become a lot more popular recently, especially like with social media and all that jazz. I am not the best nail stamper. I do have a lot of other things from other companies for nail stamping, but I found these at the Dollar Tree, or Dollar Quarter Tree now. So yeah, we're gonna try them out. I have my handy little hand mannequin here, and I've pre-painted them with some Julie G nail color. I also found this at the Dollar Tree a long time ago because they went bankrupt. And then I'm going to use this Color Vibe with Hardener's nail polish. I think I also got this at the Dollar Tree. So we're just really Dollar Treeing it up today. Yeah, they have like 3 or 4 different styles of nail stamp plate. I got this like floral one because I thought that it was pretty, basically. So we're gonna open them up and see what we can do. It also gives you instructions on how to actually use them if you're unfamiliar with how to use nail stamps or anything like that. So the nail stamper actually comes with a clear stamper, which is really nice to be able to see your design when you're picking it up and putting it on the nail. It also comes with a scraper and a cover, which again, super nice. And then the nail plate comes with just the plate itself. You do have to take this blue part off. And there you go. I think the floral design one is really nice. It gives you like a lot of individual flowers, and then it gives you these like really big designs as well. Again, really, really nice designs that you're able to use. So essentially what you do for the nail stamping, if you're unfamiliar, is you apply the nail polish onto the stamp plate, scrape it away, use your stamper, pick it up, and then stamp it onto the hand. We're going to try to use them just straight out of the package. No like tips or tricks on how to use it. We're just going to see if it works straight out of the package. There are some tips and tricks that we can try after we try to see the first couple rounds to see if it does or doesn't work. We'll just have to figure it out together. So I think we're going to first use this daisy right here. And I'm just going to apply some nail polish. I should probably put a paper towel under it. We're going to scrape it. Use our stamper. All right. Well, that's not working out, is it? All right, well, that didn't work the first time. So let's clean it off and try again. All right, so for our second effort, I put some 100% acetone on this paper towel, and I'm going to rub the stamper on that to kind of like roughen it up a little bit to see if that helps. The stamper right out of the package wasn't very sticky, and usually with all my other stampers, there needs to be like a little bit of stickiness or roughness on it. So maybe I can get some tape and we can try that. Let's try it one more time. It also could be the nail polish that I'm using. See, it's not picking up the actual nail polish itself. Maybe we have to try a different nail polish. Okay, so I got a couple different stampers and I got some tape because these are kind of the things that are supposed to help, I guess. So let's try some different stampers with the Dollar Tree plate itself and the same nail polish, okay? So let's try this one. I'm going to use this Caption nail stamper. Oh, see, it picked up the design. So then we come over here. There. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah, that's so good. Minus that, but oh my gosh. That is fantastic. Okay, so the nail plate from the Dollar Tree works really, really well. What I'm going to do now is there's tape on this, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to just use the tape to clean this off to keep this sticky and tacky. And what I'm going to do is take this. This is the Dollar Tree one that wasn't working, and I'm going to stick it on some tape to see if we can make it sticky. Let's try it again. Right. This is the Dollar Tree stamper. No. All right. So I think the Dollar Tree stamper just doesn't stamp. And that's okay. But the nail plate works really well. Let's see if this is a Conad nail stamper. Let's see if this one works, because this one isn't really sticky. So we'll see if it picks up with the... Look at that! Ah! Oh my gosh, it worked. Okay, sorry, as you can see. But the problem with this one is that I can't ever see what I'm doing. So let's... Oh my gosh! Look at that. Do you see that? Ah! Can you tell that I'm not the best at nail stamping on myself, and this is amazing? Look at that. Okay. All right. So what I'm noticing is that the Dollar Tree nail stamper is crap. Don't buy the Dollar Tree nail stamper. But these plates are working amazingly. Oh my gosh. All right. Should we try? See now... Yeah, it's just the Dollar Tree nail stamper that's not working, because I was like, is it the nail polish? Which clearly it's not, because look at how crisp that design is. I don't think I've ever gotten it that wonderful with either of these. Oh my goodness. So it's not the plate and it's not the nail polish. It has to be the Dollar Tree stamper. So don't get the Dollar Tree, the Sassy and Chic nail polish or nail stamper, but you can get these nail plates. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Also, this Color Vibe nail polish is working amazingly with the stampers as well. So this one is Caption. I think I just got this off of Amazon. Honestly, I don't know. And this one is the Conad. I like this one. This nail stamper, if you're looking for one, it's okay. But the problem with it is that you can't see through to like know where you're placing the design. Like this one, you can see right through. Whoop, yeah, see, you can see right through, so you know exactly where you're plopping your design at. Okay, should we give this one more chance with like a different, here's a different plate. Okay. Let's try this bar right here. It's for like a French manicure. I am using the Dollar Tree scraper, which if you don't have a scraper, you can just use like an old credit card or gift card. Oh, that scraped too much off. Whoops, whoops, whoops. All right. Maybe this plate is a problem. All right, well, this plate isn't working. Let me try a different plate. All right, here is a design plate from Wistonia. It's the W111, and we're just gonna try these zigzags, again, with the color vibe. Dollar Tree scraper that came with the stamper. Oh yeah, that's good. Dollar Tree stamper. Nope. Dollar Tree stamper doesn't work, but true. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. All right. Well, that one didn't stamp as well. All right. We're working on it. We're working on it, people. Back to the Dollar Tree plate. We're going to try one of these big designs. Let's try this one. Caption. Well, that kind of worked. Ooh, okay. Then you just clean up the sides. That kind of worked. That kind of worked. All right. But what I will say is that the tape method to keep your stamper really, really nice and sticky to clean it off is a really, really great idea. So just get some like packing tape and just dab your stamper on the packing tape to keep it nice and sticky to clean it off instead of like using acetone. And then, yeah, these Dollar Tree, the Sassy and Chic Dollar Tree nail stamp plates, amazing. And the color vibe, you have to work quick because it has hardeners in it. This one is really, really good, as you can see by these two nails. But unfortunately, the Sassy and Chic nail stamper is just not the vibe. It's not working out. I do like the design of the holder, but it just needs a different like jelly part. So maybe if you can order new stamper parts online, that would work. But why would you pay $1.25 for that? You can just go online and get the whole thing. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. I will try to link some of these products down in the description box below so you can check them out on your own time if you're interested in getting into nail stamping. But yeah, it takes a little bit of practice, but you can get really fun designs. So anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.